Hi, today you will learn how to use conditional formatting in WPS Spreadsheet. So for example, we have here two columns, first one with project names and second one with status. If we want to use conditional formatting for these columns, we need to select them, and after that we need to go to Home tab, and here we need to open conditional formatting settings. Now we need to go to New Rule, and here we have something like format only cells that contain. I recommend you to use this option because it is really simple, and here you have the rule description. We want to format only cells which have approved status, so here I need to select from the list specific text, and here I need to select containing. So I select it, and then I type here the text. So I type here approved. Then I select format, and here I need to go to patterns. Then I select which color I want to use for approved. So I will select here maybe green color, and I click OK button. After that I click OK, and how you see, conditional formatting for approved is working now. But if you want to use it for rejected status, we need to go again to conditional formatting, and this time we need to click again on New Rule. Then I go to format only cells that contain, and here I will change the cell value to specific text. I select here containing, and I type here rejected. After that I click format, and here I need to open patterns, and this time I will select here red color. Then I click OK button, and I click OK. So how you see, it really works. If I helped you to use conditional formatting in WPS Spreadsheet, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.